Moto Nana Eats.
Parang yung gamitin yung knife tsaka fork. Parang di bagay yung suot ko. It's a place, but I'm so rugged today. So far, ha? Yung this is Spanish latte. So far, ito. Saka to. It's heavenly. Let's try the cookie. What's the fruit? Chew it. How do you do this? How do you dissect this? So direct na gordon nito di ako. You get the meringue. So this is placed here. Now I got it. Dito lang natin mag-gym bukas. Guys, ito nga pala si Derek. What kind of sorcery is this? Ang sarap. Kaya ang sarap. Yung nagpapasarap sa kanya, yung toppings, yung fillings. Ito, overall. Huh? Dalawa may heart na nakalagay ito. Hindi ito, ano?
Kagatin mo.
Yan. Camera. Parang, no? Sarap. Yung alam mong may love yung pagkakagawa ng food. Andun yung heart ng gumawa ng food. Alam mo, ba't ako nasa speechless? Ba't ako natutulog? Nasa speechless. Yung ano, parang kay Mama before. Yung the way she bakes, then she cooks. Yung may love sa ginagawa. Yung precision and all that. So, it's a good January. Sa ano ha? Sa desserts. pastries, desserts. This is the first, no? Experience natin. Di ba ako matexture ako kumain. So gusto ko yung pagka-crumbly ng cookie. Alala ko yung kinain natin sa Bulacan. Yung lahat ng ingredients. Nag-fusion sa together na maayos. Masaya, no? Chef Jeng, galing mo Chef Jeng. How do you explain this? How do you...
Pwede na ako mag-heavy.
Heavenly dessert. Parang lahat ng ingredients niya premium. At the same time, enhanced lahat ng flavors, no? Parang it's fun to share this with other people pag nagpunta kayo dito. Kahit isa nga, ito yung ano nila, yung Cupid, may monster pa daw sila nito. Ito lang yung Cupid, pero for sharing na to yun. What more yung monster? Congratulations, it's a girl. It's a girl. Yung chocolate sa croissant. Hindi tinapid yung chocolate. Tsaka kita mo yun. Kita mo, dito pala yan. Yan o. Makikita mo yung thickness. Parang ano, gusto mong ubusin na hindi. Gusto mo siyang tignan. Medyo natitigilan ako. When we were eating, natitigilan tayo kasi it's very nostalgic for me. Hindi yung taste, kasi definitely iba yung taste ng dito compared din sa ginagawa ni Mamay. Pero yung nostalgic feels nung mga time na nagbe-bake si Mamay, nagluluto si Mamay, na alam mong may heart yung ginagawa and passion for what she used to do before. So yun yung medyo may hugot sa akin, yung nostalgic feels ng love for food. Sabi nga ni Direk, para akong naratatouille. Para akong naratatouille na it brought you back to your childhood. Pero it's not really the taste. I mean, the taste is premium, it's all good. Pero yun, alam mong lang it's made with love. Yun lang naman. So mga kanaman, before we end our vlog, hindi pa pala natin sila nare-rate. Pero, we'll rate the food, we'll rate the drinks, we'll rate everything. So, hindi ko na isa-isahin yung mga kinain natin. Pero ang ang rating natin sa kanila lahat ay 5/5. 5/5. Wait lang, di ba? Tapos, yung ambience, 5/5. The experience, 5/5. I think, yung nakausap natin kanina, she was one of the owners or the owner. Very friendly, very accommodating. Sobrang good. Food, 5/5. Kaya, meron tayong floating emoji. Floating hearts. Floating hearts tayo dyan. Floating hearts. Actually, hindi namin plinano pumunta dito. Kaya lang si Direk. Sabi niya, gusto niya something sweet. There's something sweet. So, nakita niya, since we are somewhere near here, dito na kami dumiretso. This is not planned, but it's a good experience. Again, mga kanamnams, it's a good January. That's it, Mansit. And it's wrap. Bye. Direct, bye.